Hey guys, this is Nick from ForexNews.com with the daily analysis. Today is Tuesday, the 11th of August 2020. Time is 10 a.m. here in the UK. Guys, this is going to be a quick analysis session. The next few weeks are going to be mostly quick analysis sessions. I don't like doing quick sessions. I like to, stick around. That way we can have like a proper discussion on what's going on right now. But I am moving house. I told you guys a little while ago that I was looking to buy a house, a new house, and I've finally gotten around to, well, no, not I've gotten around. It's gotten to the stage where the house is ready to be moved into. And as you guys know, while you're packing and doing all that kind of stuff, things do get pretty hectic. I don't have as much time as I would like to do the webinars. Therefore, we're going to do quick webinar sessions, and I will be moving in around 2.5 weeks. So there's a lot of packing to do, but that means that for the whole week of, so I'm just looking at the calendar real quick. So from the analysis webinar that would happen normally on Tuesday, the 1st of September, that's cancelled. That whole week is cancelled. And I'm hoping that the next week I'll be able to get back into my normal schedule when I'm fully moved in. So no analysis session on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd of September. That week is just totally off. I'm not even sure if I'll have internet connected that week. So I'm just going to cancel it right now. So quick analysis sessions for the next few weeks while I get my move sorted. Let's get into it. First things first, US oil. This one's going well. This one's a very long-term trade, as I've explained a few times. So we're just going to hold on to this one and let it run. USDCHF. This one's been quite annoying. I've entered this one once and it went down, came back up, closed it out. Now it's done pretty much the same thing, although this time it looks like it's treating this as resistant. I'm just going to hold on to it this time is what I'm trying to say. I'm going to hold on to it, leave it open. Let's just see what happens with it. I'm not going to close it out again, only to re-enter again. So this one, leaving it open. If it pushes up to the stop loss, it pushes up to the stop loss. If it turns around here, which it looks like it's doing, I'll close this one out at target, hopefully. So let's see. GBPCAD. This one's was a short trade that I hadn't entered, but some people had entered. So this one's going kind of well. Hold on to it if you're in it. USDCAD, we were looking for a short. I believe some of you got in this one. I can't remember. If you're still in this one, just hold on. It's starting to move back down. I'm going to adjust this area up a little bit, really. GBPUSD, we're just waiting for a long breakout here still. So we're waiting for it to break this green line here, the 13197. Similar with GBPJPY, we're waiting for that long breakout. So let's see if that happens. It needs to push beyond this 13973. We've been waiting for this one for a while. I imagine eventually it will break. AD New Zealand, nothing going on here anymore. EURJPY. Yeah, we're still waiting for a breakout here on EURJPY. We want to see it push up to the 12600 and break it. Bloody summer slowdown, guys. You see all these great trades coming up, but it just takes forever for them to trigger. Summer is the most boring time to trade. Which is why it's handy that I'm moving in summer and not in winter when everything is picking up again. Well, not winter, but you know what I mean. Towards the tail end of summer, things start picking up again. Hey, Arif. Nah, I'm not going to do anything there. Hey, Jackson. Alright guys, it doesn't look like there's a whole lot happening. Even USD JPY, I'm not that interested in trading. Maybe... No. Nah, not even there. No. Yeah, I don't really see much happening. Besides what we were looking at towards the end of last week, those are still on, potential breakouts. But there's nothing much new right now. The market's just not moving much. We could see that last week was just mostly sideways. This was last week's movement, sideways. So when you get that kind of sideways movement where price ends up roughly in the same place as where it started. So this was the start of the week. This was the end of the week. Now, obviously, it's not all pairs, but mostly last week, you got the start of the week here, the end of the week here. You can see that the difference between the start and the end is very, very small. Usually, when you get that kind of movement, you're not going to get many trades in between there. This is Euro USD, start of the week here, the end of the week here. You can see they're pretty much open and close at the same spot. And that's true of a lot of pairs last week. It was barely any movement. So, yeah, bit of a dull start to the week, but that's trading, especially in summer, like I said. Things get slow and boring. Are there any questions, guys, or shall we wrap this one up? For those of you joining late, I'll just repeat this while people type questions, if there are any. For those of you who joined late, I'm moving house at the moment. I should be fully moved in around about 4 weeks. But that means that webinars are going to be shorter, rather. Webinars are going to be shorter because I just don't have as much time as I would like. Just in general, I won't be trading as much as I normally would. So I might be taking less trades just because I'm going to be so busy with the move. And for the whole week of the 31st of August, that whole week, so starting Monday the 31st of August, ending Sunday the 6th of September, I just won't be doing webinars. I just won't be online that much at all. I'm not even sure if I'll have internet. So it doesn't look like there's any questions. Yeah, Nick, that's what I was saying. It's a great time to move because there's not a whole lot happening on the charts anyway. So I'm not missing much action. Also, my new house has a huge garden, which is going to be awesome in summer. Yeah, roughly the same area. Just happy to have a huge garden because I'm getting a sauna put in and a pizza oven. So that's going to be pretty nice. Jackson, your freezing is our summer in Britain, so. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing the oven myself. I'm not sure. I don't want to screw it up badly, but great thing is, if I screw it up, I could just knock it down and start over, so. Yeah, I probably will do it myself, just for the fun factor. Oh yeah, of course they do. Made in a real oven. Nothing beats that. And yeah, Nick, the action will happen in September, October, November, especially, like you say, leading up to the election. I think it's going to be a bit of a crazy year once we get out of summer. It's going to be a bit crazy. As soon as we get into the election, things are going to heat up a lot. Happened last election, but this one is it just feels like it's going to be a lot crazier. But we'll see how it goes. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get back to packing. I feel really bad doing very short webinars, but it is what it is, guys. Just going to be a few weeks. When I'm settled into my new place, things will get back to normal. And we'll still be firmly in summer by then, so the market's probably still going to be a bit slow, but hopefully not. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I'll catch you guys for tomorrow's webinar, which should be at 10 a.m. also. Sadly, no fiber in the new place, Nick. My internet's actually going to be slower in the new place, but the new place has 5G. So I'm thinking about getting 5G home broadband through EE. Because I can get an external antenna installed to get a good 5G connection. And having that as my main internet and having just a normal cable internet, whatever you call it, as my backup connection. Because when you're a trader, you need to have a backup connection. It's super important. It's not as important these days because you have 4G on your phone and 5G out there. I'll have 5G on my phone, but if the 5G drops out, if the home broadband 5G drops out, the phone 5G is also going to drop out at the same time. So I need a solid connection also. So I'm thinking about getting 5G, probably going to get it. And the other alternative I looked into is getting fiber laid like to the house, which costs upwards of £10,000. So it's quite pricey, but you can work out some deals apparently where you only pay half of it, because then the BT, the phone company, they would be able to start selling high-speed broadband to the local area because they've put down the cable for you, kind of thing. I'm not sure. It's a bit of a headache. So I don't know exactly what's going to happen. The internet isn't much slower than what I have now. It's about 10 megabits slower. So I can live with it, but the cheapest option would definitely be not to spend $10,000 to get fiber internet, to just sign up for a 5G plan. Yeah, but I'm moving into an area where it's mostly retired people, which is great for me because I like peace and quiet. But, you know, retired people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, some of them, they don't prioritize high-speed internet as much as someone like me who plays PC games and stuff like that and downloads a lot of stuff. So I'm not sure if they're going to want to be spending money on getting high-speed internet because they don't really care. Yeah, Carlton, I play quite a lot of games. I'm playing Escape from Tarkov at the moment. Well, when I can. My gaming time has taken a major nosedive in the last week with the moving. Well, with the packing rather, not moving yet. Well, one of the best things about trading is that it allows you to play a lot of PC games if you're into that. So, because I have now a 49-inch monitor, and then above that I have a 27-inch. So my charts sit up on the 27-inch monitor, which is above my main gaming monitor, and all I have to do to check my trades is look up, and I could just tap out of the game and you know, flick around all the charts. It's pretty nice setup actually. But anyway, guys, I said I don't have much time, and then here I am chatting away. So I'm gonna well, why would my computer run quicker? I'm going to eventually get two 49-inch monitors. I'm just waiting for the next gen of 49-inch monitors to be released. Because I want one that's 240 hertz. And then my current one, which is 120 hertz, will be my secondary monitor, and the new one will be my primary gaming monitor. I'm also waiting on the new line of graphics cards to come out. Well, the amount of screens isn't gonna slow down my computer. It's going to be quite a nice setup, but I just need to wait. I need to be patient, because if I buy another monitor now, it's not going to be... the new ones are just around the corner. In fact, some of them are out right now, actually. Yeah, similar to me. I have well, I don't have a mini desktop, but I have 32 gig. The new line of GPUs are coming out, and they're going to be crazy. So that's going to be cool. The Samsung monitors that are coming out are also going to be cool. Anyway, guys, I keep getting distracted. I love talking about computers and gaming and all this kind of stuff, so I'm getting distracted. But I really need to get back to packing and just doing all the stuff you have to do when you move out of a house. I hate it. I wish I could flash forward 4 weeks, guys. That way I'm moved in and everything is settled in the new place. But Unfortunately, I can't time travel, so I'm stuck having to live through the next 4 weeks while I sort all this stuff out. So yeah, I have to go. Thank you guys very much. I'll see you guys for tomorrow's analysis, which will be at 10 a.m. Thank you and bye.